updating your legal name on Hetzner is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Hetzner account. Access your Hetzner account by visiting their website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section in your dashboard. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of your account. Step 3. Select name change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required documentation. You will need to submit documentation that verifies your legal name change. This could include a marriage certificate, court order, or any official document that supports your name change. Step 5. Submit your request. After uploading the necessary documents, review your changes and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name change has been processed. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on Hetzner will be updated. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Hetzner's customer support for assistance.